Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Aitada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 7. Siwelele 4. My brother, how's it?
Kunjani baba Ngobo, ngiyaphila mina.
Siyaphila, thanks man. Uzwa kanjani igame namhlanje?
Ama emotion wami they are mixed manje yabo.
Very mixed, yeah.
Ngijabulile, ngithukile, angikho sure.
Okay, asiqale ngale ngaseyoqala ujabulile ujatshuliswe yini?
Angijabule ngoba mangiphuma endlini.
Yeah.
Usually mangizobukela iSundowns. Ngiza ngamapocket kuphela ngoba i3 points yaphelela ngithi. Namhlanje ngiphethe nebheke ngoba bengifuna namagoli, amagoli bewengeke baphelele ngizowafaka la.
Yeah.
Ngihappy ngoba bakorile.
Number 1. And then yesibini uthena uthukile uthuswa yini?
Ngithuse ngoba baconsider kakhulu manje enqobo. Masiyodlala Love Trust lapho yakwenzekani. Mase siconsider for siwelele.
Yeah.
Ujera nolunga basukulisha masiyodlala nalezi zase Africa. Hey kuzoshuka.
Yeah. Yini ongekho sure ngayo?
Engekho sure ngayo ileague ukuthi iyaku. Manje angikho sure. Angikho sure manje. Kodwa ngizokhuluma esinye statement esi1 regarding that matter.
Yeah.
Ukuthi as Sundowns under normal conditions we will win the league.
You know how to win the league.
Yes, and under abnormal circumstances
Yeah.
we will also win the league.
Number 1.
Right now the situation is abnormal. Ngoba iPirates ngathi yaqala ukufika ku60 beyafika igcineni. So everything is abnormal manje. We are left with one game. We haven't won the league.
Yes, sir.
This abnormal situation.
Yes, sir.
Kodwa at the end sizoyithatha league.
All the best, my brother.
Sharp.
Aitada.
Betway Premiership,
Yeah.
ne? It's for Sundowns. DDC, it's for Pirates. You know why? That's how you separate boys from men.
Oh, thanks, my brother.